Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Microsoft has acknowledged a strange issue that apparently is affecting a small number of Windows devices that were upgraded to Windows 11 24H2 or Windows 11 25H2. Now, according to Microsoft, the problem can prevent affected systems from installing monthly cumulative updates, obviously through Windows Update, on affected devices that leave you stuck with recurring Windows Update failures. Now, according to Microsoft, the issue affects devices that originally ran Windows 10 21H2, Windows 10 22H2, or Windows 11 23H2 before upgrading to newer Windows 11 releases. And as mentioned, it's only affecting a small number of Windows devices because this device was upgraded from Windows 10 21H2 to Windows 11 21H2, and I haven't been affected by this bug, but nonetheless just a quick video to keep you guys in the loop like we like to do on the channel. Now, according to Microsoft, if you are experiencing the problem, you may see Windows Update fail with error codes 0x8007371 or 0x800F0993. So those are the error codes you may see. And Microsoft also recommends checking settings, Windows Update, and your update history to see whether update installations have been failing with either of those two errors. And once the issue appears, Microsoft says, affected systems may no longer receive monthly Windows security and quality updates. Now, although this is the case, and it is only affecting a small set of devices, Microsoft says it has rolled out a server-side update and fix for unmanaged enterprise devices and Windows Home PCs. And the server-side fix should prevent newly affected systems from encountering the problem in the future. And like we always say with any known issue rollback or server-side update, if you are experiencing the issue and you want to apply the resolution sooner, then I always suggest restarting your device to hurry up and quicken up the process. Don't shut down, restart. And after that, Microsoft says that no additional user action is required and devices upgraded after the rollout should no longer be affected by the issue. Now, something else to take note of is that to prevent the problem during future upgrades, Microsoft has also included protections in the June 2026 Patch Tuesday updates. So for Windows 11 24 and 25H2, that would be KB 5094126. I posted on the update. I'll leave the video linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. And for Windows 10 22H2, that would be KB 5094127. I'll also leave the video for that linked if you'd like some more information. And according to the announcement, these updates help prevent the issue from occurring during the upgrade process. So Microsoft does note, as mentioned, that this issue is only affecting a small percentage of upgraded systems, but nonetheless just giving you a quick heads up in case you have been affected. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.